Well, today is Black Friday and we are just days away from Cyber Monday, and there are many scams to look out for. Lindsay, Nance talked to an expert tonight about how bad guys are targeting you this holiday season.
If you're scrolling through your email, you're probably getting tons of Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. But some deals, like this one right here, are actually fake, and they could possibly drain your bank account if you purchase from them. Hackers are getting more and more creative at what they do, and their latest scams involve fake deals to pull you into their websites.
Well, there's a lot of offers out there, things that seem to be too good to be true.
So how do you know if it's too good to be true? Baham is the president of Kraft Technology Group and says there are surefire ways to make sure you don't get scammed on Cyber Monday. The first step is easy and only takes a few minutes.
Making sure you have all the security updates installed on your computer.
He also recommends shopping for your computer or smart device that you use every day. This eliminates risks of other people getting your card information from devices you don't have control of often. And as far as making sure the website you're ordering from is legitimate,
take the time to go to the website directly and search there versus clicking on an email link.
He says these links are exactly how the scammers pull you in. Going directly to the store's website and avoiding links eliminates that worry. He also recommends shopping with the store's app if they have one.
On a mobile device, you have an app with typically some added security measures.
Another helpful tip is to pay with a credit card instead of a debit card. That way your checking account won't be entirely drained if someone does hack into your information. Now, the last tip he gave me was to look for this lock on the left-hand side of your browser. What that means is that the website is secure, and so is your money. Brittany?
A lot of great tips for us tonight. Thank you, Lindsay.